If you only want one advice about WordPress, you have to watch this. You can simply come to a site like this and get WordPress completely for free to try it out. Okay, so I simply need to come inside here, click I agree with terms and click on sign up. It will actually go and generate your WordPress account. You can do anything with for 2 days completely for free. And you can see all of the information for your website, so you can copy them and save them. And now if you want to go and access it, simply click on exit now. And you can see this is your WordPress website for 2 days completely for free, and you can do anything with it. So if you want to go and try new themes, try new plugins, play around with it, do some custom coding, you can do it inside it. And that's not even the best part. You can simply go and export your already existing website and throw it inside here and put it inside this dummy website, and it will actually go and create you complete copy of your website, and you can do anything to it, and it will have no negative effect on your real website. This is super powerful, and it's not only the best part, because you can actually come inside here and under advanced setup you can go and set up everything inside. You can even go and choose PHP version or even your WordPress version you want to go and try out. And I know what some of you may be asking, well, okay, but definitely I have to go and sign up for something or give them my credit card, my information, or my left kidney or something like that. This is the best part. You don't need to do anything, okay? You don't need to go through my link. I'm not even affiliated with them. This is the crazy part. You can do it completely for free. You can go to testwp.com. You can go and read terms of services, and if you agree, click agree, set it up now, and you can have it completely for free with no sign up required and nothing. You have to go and try this. This is complete must have. So now let's say you want to go inside here and create new posts. Usually people come inside here and they are a little bit confused because you have this weird navigation. You're gonna browse all and play around with this. Now I know what you may be thinking. Okay, I'm gonna suggest some plugin that you will go place inside it and it will generate some different layout, right? No, I have a way better option for you. You can simply go and create your blog post inside your Google Docs, okay? And you don't only need to go and write it inside, you can actually go and design. You can see this is, for example, heading number 3. I'm putting the links inside here to YouTube videos, to Vimeo, or even inside text. I'm even putting images inside here. And if I like it and I'm finished, I can simply go, copy everything on this side, including images, hit Ctrl+C on my keyboard, come to this ugly interface, and simply hold Ctrl+V, and you can see it actually imported everything. It was so easy, even pictures, even videos, even links. And it is so much better than doing it inside those ugly editors. And the best part is, you don't need to always go and log in inside your WordPress. If you want to go and change something, you can even do it from your phone. It is that easy. Okay, and while we are inside post, I have one more suggestion for you. You definitely want to go and start using some shortcuts. So if you see something like this and you want to make it bold, you don't need to go inside here and click on it. You can simply go and press Ctrl+B and it will automatically do it for you. And I know what you are asking right now. Well, how am I supposed to know all the shortcuts, right? Well, you can simply come inside here and hit Shift-Alt-H, and it will actually show you all of the shortcuts you can go and actually use inside here. So you want to go and take a look around this. You can see everything from text formatting to stuff like block shortcuts to selection shortcuts, or even some global shortcuts. You definitely want to go and play around with this. Once again, it's Shift-Alt-H. We will go and display all of those keywords inside here you can go and use. Now let me actually go and give you a few more advices, and I want to go inside users, because I see many people doing this mistake. You do not want to go and give your administration access to anyone, okay? Whenever you want to go and invite something to work on your project, you want to go and click on add new and give them one of those roles, okay? And I actually want to go and show you the difference in those roles in each one of those roles. So subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator, to go and show you that you can go and give access to people, limited access to people, and it's just fine, okay? Why should someone who is publishing on your blog, for example, your writer, have access to everything around your website? It just doesn't make any sense, and you definitely want to be safe by doing something like this. Now I want to go and show you something very, very cool about Elementor, which I wished I knew when I started. So simply, whenever you want to go and change color, you already know it. You simply come inside here and find color you like, and place it inside here. So for example, let me go and put this on orange, okay? So I'm gonna go and save this, and let's say I want to go and use it once again inside here. So I either need to go inside here and find the correct color, or I have to go and paste this code inside here, right? Well, there is a way better way. You can see, we can simply come inside here. If we like this color, let's put it on red now. We simply need to go inside here, click on this plus icon, and I'm gonna go and call it, for example, my red, and hit create. This will create a global color for you. What does it mean? Well, when I need it inside it, I don't need to go through here or paste any code. I simply go and hit on this globe icon and search it inside here, and you can see this is my red. So I can go and use it everywhere I want to. And the best part is you can even go and do the same thing with your title. So let's say you want to go and have this font. You can go and change the size over here, line height, and once again, you simply need to go inside here, create global font, name it however you want, hit create, and whenever you want to go and use it later, for example in this about me section, simply need to come inside here, typography, and you will see it inside here. This is a way better and easier way how you can go and use typography and colors inside your website. Now let me actually go and show you something not very technical, but it is just quick fix for your website. You want to go under settings and look for something called permalinks. And you want to go and make sure that this is set up on post name. So I'm going to go and show it to you on this screen, because this is the change it's going to make to your URL. You can see it is way shorter and way easier to remember for us human that is actually using the post name itself. According to Google, it doesn't affect the ranking of your website, but it is just some good practice to have on your website. Now, if you want to go and know next level trick, you need to go to plugins, click on add new, and search for any plugins you would like to go and download. So for me, it's going to be starter templates, and I want to go and show you how you can go and determine if the plugin is actually good or not. Because many people will come inside here and look at the stars, okay, it has so many ratings and it's active installation and stuff like that. And it's not the best way. You want to go and click on this and check few things. Few obvious things, like for example, if it's compatible with your WordPress version, you want to go and also see active installations. But what you want to go and do is click on those stars. Okay, it's gonna show us reviews. It's not that crazy, right? Well, you want to go and check something different. You want to go and check on 1-star reviews and check recency of those reviews. Okay, so we see this plugin has thousands and thousands of reviews, but the last 5-star review was 1 week ago, and the second one was 5 months ago. And if you look at 5-star reviews, we can see that it's 12 hours, 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, 3 days, 4 days. So we can see that now people have great experience with this plugin. There is only 1 negative review in a span of 5 months, which is super good for a plugin with over 3,000 reviews. Because sometimes what can happen is that when you click on 1-star reviews, you will actually see it like this: 12 hours, 1 day, 1 day, 1 day, 1 day. And even though overall they have a lot of 5-star reviews, this will tell you that currently this plugin is probably broken and doesn't work, so you want to go and stay away from it. And this is definitely something you want to go and check, because even if you have 20 1-star reviews within like 3 days, it will not go and affect your overall rating. You're still gonna be 5 out of 5 stars, okay? So keep this in mind. But here's the deal. There are also a few recommendations I want to go and give you inside it, and mainly pictures, because majority of people will just go to places like Unsplash or even Pixabay, or even my favorite, which is Pexels. This is royalty-free images, so you can actually go and use them without permission or needing to pay someone on your website, which is great. But what many people will go and do is go simple to picture like this, and they will click free download. This is a very big mistake, because if you click on this, you will see that it will automatically go and download original size of this image, which is huge. Okay, let me actually go and demonstrate how big it is. I'm gonna go and download original, and I also want to go and download a large file. Now I have them inside here, and you can see that one of them, if I click on properties, you can actually see that it's over 4 megabytes. This is the original one. And when I click on this one, you can see it is not even 1 megabyte. The difference is huge. And if you look at posts like this, you can see how many pictures I'm using. You can go and save dozens of megabytes. And whenever you are using such big images, the loading speed of your website will suffer so much. It will be so slow that basically nobody will ever go and visit. You will be not even able to go and rank on good pages on Google because it's so slow. But there is even a better way around it, okay? You can go to places like TinyJPG, which is once again completely for free. And what this will go and do is compress your image. So you can see this on this example, okay? This is full original. It's about 614 kilobytes. And what TinyJPG gonna do is gonna go and compress it to a size of 162 kilobytes without losing the clarity. So we can simply come inside here, and you can even go and drop here completely for free up to 20 images with maximum of 5 megabytes. And you can do it over and over and over again. I'm gonna go take my large picture and place it inside here, and they've managed to save us 49% of this size. Let me actually show you the result. So this one is the large original, and you can see it was nearly 600 kilobytes. But with this one, large, which is compressed by TinyJPG, when I click on properties, you're gonna be able to see that it's only 300 kilobytes, which is super small, but the quality is basically the same. Now, another trick is that you can actually go and manipulate how you're gonna be viewed inside your Google search. So you can go and download plugins like Yoast SEO inside here, and it will actually go and generate this Google preview. And you can actually go and write it inside here, what you wanna go and display, and click between mobile results and desktop results. And last but not least, you can even go and use ChatGPT to generate all of this stuff for you. So if you're interested in knowing proven ways how ChatGPT can go and help your WordPress website, you definitely want to go and check this video. If you like this, you can go and subscribe. This is everything from me today. I hope you learned something new. Have a nice day and goodbye.